front of me is REALME GT Neo 3, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction on this REALME. Firstly, go into settings and scroll down. Now you need to click on system settings, select keyboard and input method, over here. Then tap on Gboard and click on text correction. Following that, scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to auto correction. As you can see, automatic text correction is now disabled. If you wish to enable it, just click on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!